In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an OKR system in Notion using 3 inline databases. We're keeping this simple and effective so you can get from zero to organized in just a few minutes. OKRs stand for Objectives and Key Results, and they help you align goals with measurable outcomes. The setup we'll build uses 3 pieces: one database for objectives, one for key results, and one for quarters, so everything stays structured and easy to review. Start by opening Notion in your browser or desktop app and signing into your workspace. Head to the page where you want your OKR hub to live. This could be a team home, a planning page, or a dedicated OKR space, whatever makes sense for your workflow. On that page, insert your first inline database. The fastest way is to type the /, then choose a table database that appears directly on the page. Name this one Objectives. This is where you'll list high-level qualitative goals. To make it more useful, add a few properties like an owner, a status, and a simple priority. Keep names short and clear so they're scannable. Insert a second inline database and name it Key Results. These should be measurable outcomes that prove progress toward each objective. Add helpful properties like a metric name, a target value, a current value, and maybe a confidence or progress field. Keep these specific and time-bound so they're easy to update. Now insert a third inline database and name it Quarters. This will help you group work by time period, like Q1, Q2, and so on. Add a date range or start and end dates. You can keep it minimal, just the quarter name and dates is enough to begin. With all 3 databases on your page, you can start your OKR process. Add your objectives first, then list the key results that will prove each one is on track, and define the quarters you'll use to organize time. If you'd like to level this up later, you can connect key results to their objectives and assign them to a quarter, then use filters and views to focus on what matters each week. A few quick tips as you go. Keep objectives inspiring but brief. Keep key results numeric and verifiable, and review progress regularly. Create simple views like a board by status for objectives or a table showing key results for the current quarter. Consistency beats complexity here. That's it, your OKR workspace is ready. Start entering your goals, update progress regularly, and use these 3 databases to keep your plans visible, measurable, and on track.